Acura TLX sedan is a tweener. It's a premium sedan with a compact footprint, but mid-size space inside. The TLX replaced two previous Acura models, the TL and TSX. Its main competitors include the Audi A4, BMW 3 Series, Cadillac ATS, and Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The exterior design adopts some of the styling cues from the larger Acura RLX sedan, including distinctive rows of LEDs in the headlamps, exaggerated fender outlines, and up front sits the pretty yet delicate-looking Acura grille. Base TLX sedans are powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder rated at 206 horsepower, coupled to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Power is sent to the front wheels. A more powerful option is the 3.5-liter V6 with 290 horsepower paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Power is sent to the front wheels while all-wheel drive is an option. In its most fuel-efficient form, the TLX has EPA ratings in the low 20s city and low 30s highway. The front-drive four-cylinder TLX is the driver's choice. It's more rewarding to drive with its balanced chassis and remarkably settled, predictable handling setup. The V6 feels heavy and a bit more sluggish when cornering. The 9-speed transmission with the V6 sounds impressive, but it can be hesitant and pokey. Inside, the TLX is comfortable and spacious, but frankly, the cabin isn't up to luxury car levels. It's quiet inside, but while the materials are pleasant, the design falls short, and it all just looks rather plain and bleak, especially on the passenger side. On the safety front, the TLX has earned 5 stars in all categories from the NHTSA. Active safety tech such as blind spot monitors, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assist is available. The TLX starts from the low 30,000s and comes standard with LED lighting and smartphone connectivity. Navigation and an ELS studio audio system are on the options list.